Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Sephora gift card online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Sephora gift card online, the first step what you need to do is go to the Sephora website. To do it, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in sephora.com. Then once the page loads, what you need to do is make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, simply create one. Then next step is to browse to the items and then simply add items to the basket. Then once you have added your items to the basket, simply tap on the basket icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on checkout right here. And then once you tap on checkout, what you need to do is enter your gift card details. On the payment page, look for gift card and promo code section and enter the gift card number or code. Then enter the PIN or security code if required. Then simply click on apply. Then your gift card balance will be applied to the total, and if your total exceeds the gift card balance, you can pay the remaining with another payment method. And then lastly, simply click on place order to complete your purchase. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.